Hey everybody, my name is Franz Fernand VIII. We are here at the intersection of Bellevue Way Northeast and Northeast 6th Street in downtown Bellevue. As you can see, it is raining really hard. And I have an umbrella over my head. And I want you to take a look at this. Here's Xfinity. Here's my umbrella. Macy's. And Bellevue's and the rest of Bellevue Square. There's the Bellevue Way clock. There's going, this is Bellevue Way going north. Northeast 6th Street going east. And Bellevue Way going south. Here's the Bellevue Arts Museum, the west end of Bellevue, Lincoln Square, hold my umbrella. There we go. The minute hand has moved to the top of the hour. It is now high noon. There's people lining up at the Cheesecake Factory. People going in and out of Xfinity. Regular traffic passing by. And of course, you got your delivery trucks and whatnot. Shoppers going in and out, and everything of the like. Yeah. So that is the sounds of downtown Bellevue. So that is more sounds of downtown Bellevue at midday. So with that being said, until next